Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum video update for Thursday 21 of July. And I told you one thing in the previous videos, that it's really important to see if Ethereum can actually come up to this line, this price level, 1749, and try to cross this level to move even higher. But at the moment it seems like you've already been rejected and it's time for the correction to happen. So how far are you going to go? That's the real question, right? So the answer to that one is it makes sense for Ethereum at the moment to actually drop to this level 1224, because that's the level you never really back tested. Ever since you moved up, you push really high, and there's a good chance that you actually roll down and come to this level, which is going to be 1228. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to zoom at this place, and from there, guys, you do have this some sort of an ascending triangle which you broke out of, and you came back to where you formed the triangle, which is going to be 1447, which you haven't really met. At the moment, you do have a 3 black crows as well, and a potential bear flag in the making right over here. So if that bear flag actually plays out, then you're looking for the next technical target to drag you all the way from there to there, and it's going to take you all the way down to nearly 1337. Okay, 1347, and that potentially could be a little bit of support moving forward, but I highly doubt if that's the end of the support. I really expect Ethereum to continue sideways and then drop down to this level as well, 1239. That's my take about it. But at the moment, this is also a possible technical target. And that's it for today's Ethereum update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.